Wound up being a very nice day for central Iowa. Of course, to the southwest, we had some rain, but pretty pleasant afternoon for Saturday, the final Saturday of May. And it looks like we have one more nice day on tap as we go into the day on Sunday. Now, there are still a couple of storm chances ahead, and then hot and humid weather is on the way as well. Take a look at what's going to happen on Future Tracker. Still pretty quiet tonight. We will still see a little bit of high cloud cover. Temperatures by early tomorrow morning. Not quite as cool, but still below average in the mid-50s for many areas. We could see a little bit of light rain out in western Iowa to wake up early tomorrow, but that will be very isolated in nature. And as we head into the afternoon, I expect more sunshine and again high temperatures to get to the upper 60s to near 70 degrees in many areas. Now by Monday morning, cloud cover will start to increase again. There will be a chance of a few thunderstorms on Monday morning. A couple of those could be strong, but I think for the most part that will stay up in northeast Iowa, so many of us may wind up being dry, and that will fuel a very warm and humid Monday afternoon with high temperatures getting up into the mid-80s. But that's not it. There's a big ridge of high pressure developing, and that will lead to the hottest weather we've had so far this year, especially as we go into Tuesday, and it looks like it could stick around through most of the week. There will be some storm chances here or there, but it will get pretty toasty out there. We have not had 90 degrees yet in 2020. I'm forecasting our first one for June 2nd. That is a little bit earlier than the average, but it is a little bit later than what it was last year. In 2019, that first 90 degrees came back in the middle of May, and our last time at 90 in Des Moines was back on September 18th. As we look ahead into the upcoming week, we are going to see that humidity getting up into the steamy category by Tuesday afternoon, with our dew point values climbing into the low 70s. So you know what that means. We got to pull out the heat index tracker and start looking at that. By Monday afternoon, still pretty tolerable. Most of us feeling like the upper 80s, maybe a few low 90 feels like temperatures out there by Monday afternoon, but it gets toastier and more humid as we go into Tuesday. Again, take a look at this. Some of the warmest feels like temperatures we've had so far this year, of course, with the feels like readings going up into the mid 90s by Tuesday afternoon. So we haven't dealt with this yet this year. You know what to do. Wear a lot of sunscreen if you'll be outside, and certainly start hydrating your body. We get that high to 91 on Tuesday afternoon. We will see a round of thunderstorms pushing in Tuesday night, and then again it'll be scattered as we go into the day Wednesday. A couple strong storms could be possible there as well, something we will keep a watch on as we go into the upcoming week. And notice it stays toasty to start off June. The first full weekend of June could bring temperatures in the low 90s.